Hey everybody, this is your Professor David Britt, MSOM 601. Just want to let you know where I am today and give you kind of an idea of what I saw in the first week of your papers and all that stuff. So I am actually in Cordoba, Spain today, and Cordoba is about an hour and a half train ride south of Madrid. And Cordoba, many, many years ago, used to be one of the most culturally significant cities in all of Europe. And it rivaled Paris in a lot of those areas. So if you look behind me, I'm actually in an old mosque. Much of Spain, back in the 800s and prior to that, was controlled by the Muslims. They call them Moors from North Africa. And so you can see the influence here. And this building's huge, so I'm not doing this justice at all because I'm actually in just one little bitty piece of this place. And so one of the cool things that you notice about European history is that whenever the Muslims would take over an area that was previously held by Christians, they would come in and build a mosque, right? And so let me go in here and show you what I'm talking about. And so when the Christians drove out the Muslims in, I think if my history's right, around 900, I believe, they built a cathedral on top of the mosque. So here is part of the cathedral, and you'll see the elements back here as well. So it's just a stunning place. And so the Christians came in, drove the Muslims out, and said, "My God's bigger than your God," and therefore they built this cathedral right smack dab on top of the Moors mosque. All right. So anyway, just thought I'd give you an idea of where I am today and what I'm doing. I just got finished grading your Module 1 information. And so just wanted to remind you all, because I think everyone in this class has had me before. So make sure that when you write your papers that you use headings and you use an introduction and all those particular things. I am surprised sometimes that students absolutely forget that. So I made a lot of comments on your papers as you would imagine. And then discussion boards, make sure that you have a minimum of 2 response posts to all of those. I think many of you were surprised by the difficulty of the quizzes and tests. And so, as I mentioned in my introductory video, these are tough. And I want to make sure that you read the material. And here, it's not just your typical repeat something that you see. These are application type of questions, so you have to understand the concept in order to answer the question correctly. All right? So just make sure that you get back to writing papers the way that I want to see them. If there are any questions about that, make sure you get in touch with me. I did send out this week, and I think most of you received it, a copy of the sample APA paper. And so use that as your guide as you're going forward. All right? Again, if you have any questions, bounce me a quick email and I'll get in touch with you. All right? So goodbye today from Cordoba. Next city will be Malaga. And hopefully I'll leave something for you all from that beautiful seaside city here in southern France. All right? Southern France. Where am I? Southern Spain. All right? Take care. Bye.